Equipment: heat-proof jug, bowl, silicone mold, digital scale, spoon or spatula, double boiler or microwave. Cut the shampoo base into small cubes for easy melting, 300 grams. Measure essential oils, measured in grams: 1.5 grams lavender oil, 1.5 grams rosemary oil. Melt the base, microwave. Heat in 20-second bursts, stirring in between until fully melted. Double boiler, gently melt over simmering water, stirring until smooth. Add essential oils, measured in grams: 1.5 grams lavender oil, 1.5 grams rosemary oil. Stir gently but thoroughly to combine. Optional: add a pinch of dried lavender or a touch of mica for colour. Pour into moulds. Silicone soap moulds work best. Tap gently to remove air bubbles. Let them set. Leave at room temperature for 3 to 6 hours or chill in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Unmold and cure, optional. Technically ready to use once hardened, but let them sit for 24 to 48 hours for best firmness. Storage. Wrap in wax paper or store in tins. Keep away from direct sunlight and moisture.